I'm Michael Davies. I'm also at CSU International Studies. I have completed
You get
3
to use a
semesters.
phone at home?
3 semesters I've completed. I'm sorry. What
You
else?
get to use a phone at home?
Well, that's a good question, Alan, because that's exactly what I'm here for. I'm not going to talk to you about what I do in the classroom. I'm going to hopefully give something to you that will help you. Because I, in China, am just like I am in the United States. I don't have the problems with the VPN and the communication you probably do. From my apartment, I watch Netflix, Amazon. I call my family at home using Google Voice. And, you know, so to me, at the first year I was here, I was very, very, you know, upset because, you know, VPN was off and on, and we couldn't get downloads, nothing was working. And so being kind of a technology nerd, that I've been doing this for 30 years and kind of a hacker, I even have a hacker alias, I started to do my homework, and on this little thumb drive here, I have some alternative VPNs and tools that will allow you to communicate in the United States and maybe have your life be a lot easier in China if you're here. So I've got a PowerPoint presentation on here, and I've got several tools on this thumb drive. And so if anyone is having problems with ExpressVPN and they would like to have a little bit of help with it, I'm more than happy to give this to you. And also, if you get my WeChat, I will you know, help you out if you need it. Okay? You have a question, Alan?